This was by far the worst travel day of my life.
This is so frustrating.
We finally made it.
Welcome back to Jay and Nina. As you guys can already tell, this week was quite the emotional roller coaster for us. If you're new to the channel, my wife and I just finished up living van life, traveling all over the US, and now we're gonna be in Europe for the next month. So we're glad you guys could join us.
So we just checked in to our hostel in Venice, and what's sad is this hostel is so nice, and it costs the same price as our hostel last night.
This is what our hostel sounds like. Our bells are just dinging again.
Jay is finishing up some editing, and then we're headed into the city. Today we're in Venice, and if you know us, you probably know we're not a big fan of cities.
They're just crowded, expensive, and the lifestyle is just so contrary to my own.
Nevertheless, we spent half the day here just to see what all the rage was about.
Are you gonna try and touch him or something? Look at him.
I don't want to disturb him. He looks so peaceful.
How many times did you touch the seagull?
Like once.
Oh, touch him.
Oh, poor buddy.
No, I was close. I was so close. Without a doubt, one of the most famous things to do in Venice is to ride a gondola, not to be confused with a gondola. And just in case you were wondering, it's $80 for 30 minutes of this. So I bet you can guess if we decide to go or not. Wow. Doesn't that look fun?
The Venice of your dreams. We might have just found the quietest place in all of Venice. We're the only ones in this alley, and we chose to walk down because there's two cats and Jay wants to pet them.
This one's so much cuter. That one's got weird eyes.
Oh, where'd the other one go?
Right here.
Oh, he wants those too.
Yeah.
Well, the ugly one still wants your love.
Sorry, buddy. Cute cats only.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go make out.
I belong in Gucci, like your $9 Amazon backpack, and a filtered water bottle. I just use Gucci hand sanitizer, probably the most expensive hand sanitizer in the world. Dinner tonight is kind of a splurge. Jay's doing it for me. It's a lot cheaper to go like a few blocks in and be not by the water, but I really wanted to sit by the water. So we're paying for water, first time on this trip. My soda, $4.
They give you free Lay's chips.
Tell everyone your business idea.
You and the boys, you guys just come out here, pop up a little stand, home-bought noodles and some pasta sauce and some Lay's chips, and you guys just charge like 30 bucks a plate. You'll make an absolute killing. They gave us this super romantic light for our dinner, but it also has a color setting so you can really party it up in case you don't know what kind of mood you're wanting to set.
Making our dip for our bread. Our waiter just loaded us up with a second round of bread. First, Italian pasta.
This isn't pasta, this is lasagna.
Lasagna. Jay loves lasagna, it's his favorite meal. This is mine. We enjoyed the city a little more after dinner, but then it was time to turn in. Don't forget to press closed door.
Busy morning train. Are we gonna make it?
Yeah, but it might not be fun. Today I've been a little stressed because we are on a train from Venice to Verona, from Verona taking a bus to the airport, at the airport picking up our rental car, and then with our rental car driving into the mountains. We're almost done. We're now at the airport in front of the rental car office, about to get our car. We just have to wait 45 minutes till our check-in time because we're early. So I'm chilling out a little bit, but honestly it's been a lot. Is this our car? No. Oh, sad. Is this our car?
This is our car.
He's cute. Jay's about to drive manual.
My big debut.
We're off to a good start.
First stall, baby.
We just watched a YouTube video on how to release the reverse brake, whatever that thing is. Now we're on our way out of the parking lot.
Car?
I don't know. It's going all right. We safely made it to a somewhat open parking lot. Get a little practice before we go on our 2.5-hour drive. We're having this problem a lot.
Oh gosh.
It seems awful. it up. Since Jay wasn't picking up manual as fast as we thought he would, we needed to take a break.
All right, just hop back in the car and can definitely smell some clutch. Hopefully I get a little bit better and this car actually survives me learning to drive it.
I have some blind faith in Jay. I just kind of believe he can do anything. So I booked us a manual car. He felt confident about learning to drive. Honestly, it's off to a rough start. I was really stressed, so I'm sitting in the airport hotel lobby just to be out of the car so that he can concentrate without me freaking out. He came back in the hotel and got me and was excited to show me his new driving skills and all that he had learned. And when we got in the car, it started smoking and the clutch was stuck to the ground and it was just a mess and we couldn't get the car to move, we couldn't get it to start. So then I started freaking out again, part 5 of today. So we went into the hotel, had them call us a taxi. The taxi that was supposed to be there in 5 minutes took like 25 to arrive, and we're racing against the clock to get back to the car rental shop before they close because we want to get a new car. So now we are back at the Verona airport. I took a taxi to get here. Our rental car is in the parking lot of an airport hotel, but not even in a normal parking spot, just parked kind of off to the side with the hazards on. And we are hoping and praying that the car rental people here are nice and generous and kind and helpful and are gonna help us get another new car today so that we can make it to our hotel by check-in time. The latest we can check into our hotel is 8 p.m. tonight and we're still 3 hours away and we can't cancel it and get our money back at this point. We have an $800 security deposit with the car rental company, so if they are awful and super mean, they honestly could probably keep it all. Jay has been amazing. He's doing all the negotiating with the car rental people right now, so I am just out here. Deep breaths. So now we are in rental car number 2 today. After going back to the airport and all of that, they gave us another car, but we have to drive back to where our old car is stuck and a tow truck's gonna come pick up that car. And then if we're understanding correctly, we should be free to go in this new car once they take the old car with the tow truck. And all of this is hoping that they're not charging us extra for anything.
They told us to send the tow company a message over WhatsApp, which they hadn't been responding to all day.
Hello, we need roadside assistance. Is anyone there?
I'm going to pretend like I don't know where you are. Okay? Thanks.
Here is where we are. Please help. This is taking a long time. How far away are you?
Much.
But you said 40 minutes over an hour ago on the phone? Hello?
Just kidding, we aren't going to come help. Huh?
But you were our only hope.
Better luck next time, losers. No one is coming to save you. Goodbye.
Okay, obviously we exaggerated the text conversation a little bit, but that's really how it felt experiencing it and reading it in the moment.
We are back at the airport car rental for the 3rd time today. The rental car lady at the desk offered to stand and wait for the new tow truck that's coming for us so that we could get on the road, because she realized we weren't actually staying in Verona and we had been there all day waiting for a tow truck. We finally made it, getting out of Verona and the like million U-turn overpass changes, freeway changes, toll roads. We both like didn't breathe at all. It was terrifying. But now we're on this road for 170 kilometers, so we're finally relaxing a little bit. We had our first laugh all day, I think. For the most part, we're okay. I got a hold of our hotel for tonight and they said it's okay that we're getting there after check-in. Just call them when we get there. So that's a win.
Back on the road, back in the driver's seat of life. No more waiting around for these freaking tow trucks and these bad manual cars. I'm ready, let's go.
The last scary thing is when we return this car in 5 days, they will tell us if they decided that the damage to the other car was our fault or theirs. $12, is that what it is? German or Italian?
Only.
Here's cash. After a long 4-hour drive, we made it to our tiny farmhouse for the night. The lady who let us in was the absolute sweetest and was the first positive interaction we had had all day.
Wow, thank you.
Yes, the passport to the website.
Thank you so much.
I have one happy thing in this video. I'm gonna record a room tour because this place is kind of cool and I need something to cheer me up. Starting with the front door, you walk in, we have our room, which also has a sleeper bed. Whoa, we need a friend. In here, we have another room with 2 beds. Why didn't we bring more people? Here's Jay coming out of the bathroom. The door.
You see how this thing flush?
No.
Big thing.
Wow. Jay loves it. Highlight of his day.
Have you seen these things? What are these?
Oh yeah. I think it's a bidet, but like, I don't know.
There's no way that's for your butthole. I think it's for feet washing.
Someone who knows, please tell
You're
us.
telling me they're like...
Yeah, I am.
They're switching?
Yeah. All right, and then here we have a kitchen, which would have been awesome had we arrived at 3 p.m. like we planned. We could have made dinner here. Did not get any dinner because we were trying to just get to our hotel. So now we are pillaging the few snacks that we do have with us, and we're really looking forward to breakfast in the morning. This was by far the worst travel day of my life. Most of today, I did not think we would make it to our hotel tonight. I think Jay and I have never been happier to be at a hotel in our lives. Also, getting here, the manual driving was okay, but we took some accidental dirt roads because Google Maps sucks, and it was really awful also. I'll probably cry for the next like 30 minutes just to let out all the stress from the day. Good night, everybody.
We decided we were going to cut the video here for this week just because we wanted to compartmentalize all the trauma we experienced from our rental car situation. So if you want to go ahead and leave a comment down below about your thoughts about rental cars, our situation in particular, we'd love to hear any advice or stories you guys have. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us out so much. And if you're wanting to stick with us through our adventures through Europe, we have some super exciting things in store for you guys next week. So here's a quick sneak peek.
I think this might be the most beautiful place I've ever been. You're not gonna hike?